If you install this app, you will earn $5. If you install another app, you will earn $7. And there are many apps that you can install and make money online. So like this video and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to the Google Play Store, search for the EarnX app and install it on your mobile device. I will leave a link to this app in the description of this video and the pinned comment. So once you install the app on your smartphone, this is how it will look like. Now just open up EarnX and log into it using your Gmail account to start making money with it. Once you log in, this is how the dashboard of EarnX will look like. EarnX is available in all countries around the world. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you and others watching from your country. Now the good thing is, EarnX will provide you with 200 bonus coins for signing up to EarnX, which is great. Now on your screen, if you click here, you will be shown your profile details. From here, you can redeem your earnings, which I will show you in a bit. And this is another way to make money by inviting your friends and family to EarnX, which we will discuss in a minute. And we are currently on our homepage. So step number 2 is to earn the most amount of money using EarnX. You can go with the 2 most paying offers here. And the first one is Playtime Games. So just click on this play icon right here and allow the necessary permissions from here. That's going to take you to the Playtime Games page where you can find different apps and games offers to install them and earn money online. And as you can see, today I have 2 offers on my screen. One is a play to earn games offer and another is an app offer. So for example, if I install and play this Ludo game for cash, I will earn 26 coins for every minute playing this game. And in total, I can earn over 1,600 coins for just installing and playing this game for completely free. So just click where it says more to know more details about it. And that's going to take you to this page where you can read some more details about the app. So as you can see under the description here, if you're smart and skilled for free casual games, then this is the perfect real money gaming app for you. Also, I would recommend you to read the reward conditions from there. As you can see, your reward may be delayed up to 24 hours. So if you just finished playing a game on this app for a few minutes and you are not credited with the coins in your EarnX app for it, don't worry. Just wait for 24 hours for it to verify your activity on this gaming app and you will be credited within 24 hours. Another thing is that this gaming app offer is eligible for new users only, and almost all the app offers are eligible for new users only. So make sure you use a completely new Gmail account while registering yourself on these app offers. And the last important thing is that you will be rewarded only if you download the app using the link inside the EarnX app, which I will show you in just a minute. Then under the rewards, you can see that you will earn 26 coins for the first minute. You will get 27 coins for the second minute, and you will get 28 coins for the third minute playing the game. And the more you play, the earnings per minute will keep increasing. And if you reach the maximum reward limit, you will be credited maximum within 48 hours. So to start earning money with this gaming app, you just need to press the Play Now button on the bottom of your screen, and that will take you to the Google Play Store, from where you can download this Play to Earn Games app. As you can see, the game is installing on my smartphone, and once it's installed, I will just click on play to start playing the game. So you can see that I am on the home page of this app, and here you can find pretty much 3 gaming apps to play, and you don't need to pay anything to play these games. You can play them with 0 amount on your account. Just keep in mind that the more time we spend playing games on this app, the more money we will earn per minute we spend on it. So as you can see, I have just started to play this Ludo game with 0 money invested for playing it. You can see that it will be a 9-minute game max, and we are 4 players playing this game from different countries around the world. And all you have to do is to wait for your turn and click on the dice when it's your turn. Then just make a move on the board. It's that easy. I spent a total of 6 minutes playing this game, and if I show you my EarnX app, you can see that I have been credited with 352 coins in my account. Now if I click on my earnings, that's going to show me the credit history of my account. You can see the sign up bonus here, daily login bonus, and this is my playtime earnings: 26 coins, 27 coins, 28 coins, 30 coins, and 31 coins. All of these are my Playtime Games earnings on EarnX by playing that Ludo game. And now, if I go to Playtime Games again, you can see that the Ludo game offer is no longer available for me because I already joined the offer and it's in progress for me. And now there is some new offer in its place. If I show you my game section right here, you can see that the Ludo game app offer is in progress on my account. And according to it, I have already earned over 142 coins in just 6 minutes playing this Ludo game. And if I want, I further continue playing this game to earn over 1,600 coins in my account. But then this video will become long, so let's move on. Now if I open the Playtime Games again, you can see that there are 3 apps or games that I can install to earn money online. The more you use EarnX, the more offers you will see here. The first one is this app that I can install on my smartphone and start to earn 15 coins per minute I use that app. And in total, I can earn 946 coins by installing it. Second app is a watch, play, and chat games app, where I will again earn 15 coins per minute playing this game. And in total, I can earn 940 coins. Then there is the water Water Sort IQ puzzle app that's going to pay me 2 coins per minute, and in total, I will earn 156 coins. So if I can select the watch, play, chat game from here, that's going to show me the details for this offer, where I can read the description of this gaming app. Then in the reward conditions, we can see that everything is just similar to our previous gaming app. And under the rewards, you can see that for playing this gaming app, the coins will increase after every 2 minutes. So the more you play, the more coins you will earn at the increasing rate per 2 minutes. And to start earning money with this offer, you just need to click on this Play Now button, install the app, and start using the app to earn for every minute you spend on this app. Now the third step, to earn the most amount of money using EarnX, you can use the TerraBox option right here. That's going to pay you over 3,200 coins, which is really awesome because all you have to do is to install it on your device and boom, you will be credited with 3,200 coins. So just click on the install button right here and that's going to take you to Google Chrome, where you can see that you can install and sign up for TerraBox from the below link to get the coins. So just click on this red link bar right here and it will take you to the Play Store again. From there you can install the app to your smartphone, and once it's installed, just click on open to open the app from there. After opening the app, first you need to agree to terms and then you need to sign up using your Gmail or Facebook account. Next, you need to select the settings for your account just like you are seeing on your screen right now, and just click complete after that and you will be taken to your TerraBox app dashboard. Now you can start to watch different ads to start collecting gold coins and earning money here, and you can start earning money on both the TerraBox app and on EarnX for installing the apps and watching ads on those apps, which is one of the best ways to make money online in 2024. Now if you want to have unlimited earnings from EarnX, you can click on the pub scale option right here. It will take you to this page and it will allow you to earn money by playing different games and installing different apps. For example, if you install this app, you will earn over 14,000 coins, whereas if you install this gaming app here, you will earn close to 4,000 coins. Just like this, you can also find different social media apps to install and different games to play and earn over $7 per app you install. Let's say we want to install this Speed Ludo Games app from here. We will just click on View and it will take us to this page where we can read more details about it. As you can see, we just need to click on the link below to install this app, download the APK from the website, and install it to earn money for installing this app. So just click on this Get 150 Coin button right here and start to earn money installing it. Not only that, if you want, you can also earn money on EarnX by daily logging into their app, because they will pay you 10 coins every day for just logging into EarnX. And if you want, you can earn some extra cash by watching ads in the Watch and Earn section right here. Now the fourth step, the bonus trick to earn 10 times more money than others, is to invite your friends and family to EarnX with your affiliate link, which you can copy from here so that you can earn money even for their work. You will get some amount of money daily as a commission to invite them, and once you have enough balance, you can redeem your earnings from here. My screen recording team is in India right now, so you are seeing all the methods and amounts in Indian currency. But don't worry, EarnX is available in all countries around the world, and they will provide you with the relevant money withdrawal options according to your country. Once again, I will leave a link to EarnX in the description of this video and the pinned comment. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.